Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about a comparison between Digicam, Adobe Lightroom and the Darktable. So Digicam or Lightroom or Darktable, which one should you use in 2025 for photo editing and organization? Let's break it down in this video. So first, the Digicam, free, open source and great for photo management. Supports raw editing, facial recognition, powerful tagging and batch editing. Ideal for photographers with huge, let me show you, sorry for that here, I have just click along. So it is best for photo organization, metadata, editing and advanced tagging. Editing tools are solid but not as refined as others. Now let's talk about the Lightroom. So Lightroom's industry standard and cloud scenes, AI masking, presets and initiative raw editing. It's one of great. It's all are the great features of this platform. Seamless mobile plus desktop workflow via Adobe Creative Cloud. Excellent for pros who value speed, consistency, and support. Best for professional photographers, content creators. Now, the cons of this platform is subscription only, no one-time purchase. Now let's head to the Darktable. The features is free. It is free and open source raw editor, often called the open source Lightroom. Advanced features, non-destructive editing, tone mapping, color zones, and it supports GPU acceleration and tethered shooting. Now it's best for hobbyists or pro who want a Lightroom alternative. But the cons of this platform is UI has a learning curve, slower on low animations. Now you should pick a Digicam if you need deep photo organization and batch tools. You should choose Lightroom if for top tier editing with cloud scenes. Go with the Darktable if you want powerful editing without the Adobe price tag. So that's it of all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.